Hi class, I wanted to do a quick overview on how to navigate Canvas. So again, I talked last week about how every instructor kind of does Canvas a little bit differently, but so you all have an idea, I've gotten a student view of last semester's Counseling 120 online. So as I mentioned, what I do in terms of modules is break them up by week. So everything is broke up by week, and what you follow is week by week. And I post those weeks each week so that you can figure out what's due, what the reading assignments are, and whatnot. On the right side, there will be reminders on things to do. For example, if there is a quiz or exam, it will pop up here. If there is an assignment due, it will pop up on the right side. Another helpful tool is on the left side. You can also navigate announcements, which should automatically come into your inbox, which is located here. I normally send messages to the class via announcements. You can also follow discussions and participate in discussions, and we'll have discussions this week. You can also, in addition to the to-do, find assignments and quizzes that are due on the left side. You are also able to follow and track your grade on assignments on the left side as well. So again, hopefully this is helpful. The calendar will kind of also be helpful to show you kind of what's coming up. So for this particular class, it met last year, so it will show you kind of things that are due. The inbox will be where messages come, and you can send me direct messages. And you can kind of go back to the dashboard as well. Week to week, you'll see lectures that are posted, assignments that are due, as well as resources for each week to help you. So I hope this is helpful. I'll go ahead and post a discussion to see if anyone has any questions. I would highly encourage you to ask questions if you're unsure, because if you're not sure of something, chances are your classmates may not, and what you ask could be really helpful to them as well. Thank you so much.